Hello, so today we have an interesting product today. So it is a fidget spinner, but it's not just any normal fidget spinner. Let's just open this up. So it's a fidget spinner, but also it has magnets in it, so you can fidget like this. Yeah. So this is made of alloy, or zinc alloy. This is the black version, so it's a bit darker here, but you can also get it in the silver version. Now it has a bearing in it, and also this is actually a cheap version of a proper product, which is the same shape and has the same magnet fidgetness of it. The proper one is around £84 or something like that, but this I bought off AliExpress. It was £3.50. Yeah, but it is actually quite well made. It's got some weight to it. Let's just open it up and you can see what's inside. So it's a top cap. You see the bearing inside. And the bottom cap. So this is the magnet part. You can see the actual bearing here as well. So you can split this apart. Okay, see the magnets. There's 6 magnets here. Well, actually there's 12 altogether. And bearing here. So it's kind of a smaller type of bearing, not the normal skateboard type bearing. If you put these together, they stick together totally. There's no gap in the middle. Put the bearing in the middle. There's a little gap in between, which the bearing does the job of giving that space. So what I really love about this fidget spinner is actually because it's very small. So it's definitely easily a one-handed spinner. Also, it's entirely metal, so it feels very well constructed and solid in the hand. There's no plastic, so it looks like it will be quite durable. Also, the metal gives it a bit of weight, so you can actually spin it for quite a while. Now I think because this is a cheaper version, I think the more expensive one probably spins a lot smoother and for longer, but this actually spins enough for your fidgeting needs. And then you have your magnet fidgeting as well. So basically it's like a 2-in-1, but you can also do this little clicking noise, maybe 3-in-1 fidget spinner. But yeah, this is nice and small, you can just easily fit it in your pocket. It is definitely one of my favourite spinners that I've encountered so far. Fully recommend it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, see you later.